Well, not the usual background today because I'll be heading to the wood market to get some woodwork tools that I'll be using to make a wine bar for my cousin. I think I need like a drill bit, and I think it's just basically drill bits and like the L-shaped angle thingy. Her mom is coming to pick it tomorrow because she's coming around tomorrow, so I just told her she's going to have to pick something for my cousin. So yeah, this is like a last minute kind of DIY, last minute kind of project. I just thought about it because I want to gift her something for her apartment. She just moved into her first apartment ever, so I decided to gift her something. Don't forget, thumbs up this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll be heading out now, so I'll see you in the next part of this video. So this is a leftover wood that I've had in the store for so long. I'm going to be using it for this DIY. I don't know if it's going to be enough, but I have like extra tiny pieces of it. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it to size.